Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dahlia and today I'm going to be filming a Valentine's Day beautiful makeup look. So today I'm going to be using all matte shades from the palette Just Peachy Mattes from Toofaced. If you don't have this palette, you can get it at Sephora or you can just use another palette. First I wet my beauty sponge and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand. So I'm going to just take some and just blend it all over my face. My Maybelline concealer. And I'm going to use it as a primer. And I'm just going to put a few dots on. Blend this out. Once I blended out the concealer, I'm going to just take a little bit of the Patrick Star powder and I'm just going to tap it on my lids so that I can set it. After I've set my lids, I'm going to go in with my first shade. I'm going to be using the shade Peach Tea from the palette. I'm going to take my Morphe brush and I'm going to go back and forth in this motion.
I'm just gonna bring it out.
And I'm just gonna keep intensifying it till it's the shade that I want. So after I put my transition shade, I'm gonna take this brush from my Morphe collection of brushes and I'm gonna take the color Just Peachy, which is this color right here, and I'm going to pack it all over my lid. It's just a very like peachy shade that blends in with the transition shade. I'm going to take a different brush and it looks pretty similar to the other one except it's shorter and it's more dense. And I'm going to take Peach Sangria, which is this plummy shade at the bottom here, and I'm going to just pack it in the corner area, the outer corner.
So I'm just kind of making like a V.
So after we've applied the color Peach Sangria, this is what it looks like. It's just, I just put it on the outer corners of my eyes. I'm taking the first brush that we used and I'm gonna go into Peach Tea, which was the first shade that we used. I'm gonna take some and just put it on the bottom of my lid. I'm gonna take Chocolate Dipped, which is the brown color right there. And I'm going to run it on my bottom lashes. So like I said before, I use the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation for my skin. So now I'm gonna go in and take the same brush that I set my eyes and I'm gonna use it to set my skin. So I'm just gonna lightly set my skin. Next, I'm going to take my bronzer brush and I'm going to use the bronzer from Tarte, which is called Park Ave Princess. This is my shade. I'm going to dip it into the pan a few times and I like to start here, blend it in, and do a number 3. I think this bronzer is really nice. It's really smooth and it goes a long way. You don't have to put too much, especially if you are contouring. I'm not going to contour for today. I'm just going to put some on my forehead just to make my skin look a bit not so pale. gonna take my Amazonian clay blush from Tarte in the shade Party. This is what it looks like. It's a really nice color. I got it for my birthday from Sephora. I'm just gonna take one of my random brushes and tap it off and just work it into my cheeks here. Next, I'm going to take this brush from Morphe and I'm going to use the color Opal from Becca Cosmetics. I'm going to just put some color on it, tap it, and I'm going to use my Kat Von D setting spray to just spray it, and then I'm going to apply it. I'm also going to add a little bit on the inner corners, the Becca Opal shade. Then to set my face, I'm going to just shake up my Kat Von D Lock-It setting spray. I'm just going to spray my face. And I like to kind of go like this after to dry my face a little bit. Also, I have this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I shake this up and they tell you not to use very much of this. So I'm just going to put 1 and 2. My MAC mascara, which is Dimension 3D Black Lash. So I'm going to just zoom in. And we're going to put a few coats of the mascara. So that's that. I added some mascara. As you can see, it makes a really big difference. I look more awake. So I wanted to go, like I said, with more of a matte look. So I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Nudist Peach. Hey, Nudist Peach. And then I'm going to just once it dries, you can go in with a gloss if you like. One of my favorites right now is the Buxom lip gloss that really plumps your lips. You can put it over top. So I'm going to show you what that looks like too. So this is just matte. It's really cute. It's very plain. And then if you add the gloss, this is also super nice. It makes your lips look bigger. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I hope you all have a really great day wherever you may be. Thanks. Bye. Juicy.